Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Kele. Today in this video I will tell you 5 remedies for weight loss. Before starting the video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. This is an effective list of ways you can lose weight in a natural way, with no side effects. In our daily routine, maintaining a healthy lifestyle and weight can be tough. Moreover, with our hectic schedule, it gets even tougher to lose weight. While there's no quick fix for losing pounds, there are plenty of healthy ways in which you can lose weight. Increased weight leads to various health hazards such as diabetes, heart diseases and stroke. And, in certain medical causes, insomnia, thyroid disorder, and stress are major causes weight gain. Luckily, weight loss is often much easier than expected, and it does not include the misconceptions that we might see around us. Doubting the natural order and questioning the doctor can prove to be quite a wrong move in your journey to weight loss. To make it easier for you, we have compiled a list of natural effective ways to lose weight, and the best part is that the ingredients are present in your kitchen. 5 remedies to help you lose weight. Do you have a minute? If yes, then you can create these very effective remedies to reduce your weight in just a minute. Yes, in just a minute. In our daily hectic schedule, we often forget to take the time out for taking care of our health, due to which we are in danger of other diseases, as well as obesity problem. We cannot even get time to exercise or prepare diet food, but if we remove 1 minute from our day daily, rising weight can be controlled. Let us tell you 10 easy tips that you can use to reduce weight in 1 minute. Number 1. Fruit juice. Take your favorite fruit or fruits out of your refrigerator and prepare a nice juice. Do not use sugar in your freshly made juice. These days, there are many seasoned sweet juices available in the fruit market. With a glass of one of these miraculous juices, you can reduce up to 85 calories. And with these amazing freshly squeezed juices, you can reduce 5 pounds a year by weight. Number 2. Talk while walking. You might be able to talk for hours while on the phone, but you don't realize that you can use these hours of talking on the phone to talk and exercise. Try to keep walking and exercising while talking. This way, you won't even feel that you're exercising because you'll be busy talking. Number 3. Chewing gum. According to scientific research, sugar-free chewing gums enhance the digestive system by 20%. In this way, if you chew gum regularly, your weight can be reduced to 10 pounds a year. Whenever you have time or you feel like you want to eat something, take your favorite chewing gum and chew until satisfied. Number 4. Read the recipe. Anything that you consume, for e.g., chocolates and alcohol, has instructions and nutritional contents written on their labels. You can read the packaging before consuming them. Most of the food and snacks you consume contains a lot of calories and sugar contents. And reading the label first will give you an idea of how many calories you are consuming. In addition, the label also mentions for how many people the specific food item is for. For e.g., if it is 200 calories for 2 people, it means that it is actually 400 calories in total. Number 5. Drink green tea. Caffeine is known burn detected fatty acids away from the body quite easily. Moreover, if you take green tea, since green tea contains caffeine, it will work more rapidly to remove extra calories from your body. However, people with high or low blood pressure problems should avoid this tip. I hope this video helped you a lot. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video.